This I've had for many years. I received as a birthday gift, and it's probably one of my favorites. I use this very often as well because it's quite the perfect size, as well as the glaze is still very nice on it. It does pair well with a lot of teaware that I have. Gaiwan that I got recently is a handmade Gaiwan. It's from a Taiwanese artist. I did purchase it from an online store that's in Singapore that carries a number of unique pieces from different artists in Asia. I will share more about this Gaiwan in a little bit. I got this new tea from a tea shop in Singapore called Pico and Imp, and I love their details on their packaging because at the back here they have their little content card. And it'll look like this. A little description, how to brew, and it's just very, very beautiful. This would be something that I would give as a gift to someone. Ginger flower dancong oolong is what I bought from them because I haven't heard about this and I'm not too experienced with dancong oolong, so I decided to try some out. So this is the tea leaves. There are actually 5 grams here, and just warm up the pot. So here, saucer, the cup, and the lid. There's different ways to hold it. Just tilt the lid a little bit, and if the water is hot, you allow the steam to come out through this way. The sound quality starts to get poor here. The tea is very floral, different from a high mountain oolong. This is the Longjing tea from China. I got this as a sample, so I thought I'd just try it out. And this is a different Gaiwan, or lidded bowl. Now this, I will share with you that I actually used the bottom saucer as my teacup saucer.
just because it fit well. I have 2 of these, so I bought 2 of these, but typically I would use it in this way. But because I thought I would use the teacup saucer, I now have this bowl as my saucer here. And I just need to warm up. And this one, again, very beautiful, easy to use. My index finger here can rest right in the middle and press down. And right now the water is not hot, so I'm not too worried. But again, these this part is flared out, so it's easier to hold, especially if it is if you're using it for if you're using it for a tea that requires hotter water.
This is the new Gaiwan that I had bought recently from Pico and Imp. I'm drinking a Taiwanese black tea. I really like this Gaiwan because of the unique glaze on it, and it looks very industrial. And you can also pour the tea out by using your thumb on the lid and the rest of your fingers at the bottom of the bowl, and just turn it over. This is a little simpler way to use the Gaiwan. Your tea leaves generally stay in the Gaiwan, and if you're using a fairness cup and pour into a teacup, you will not have any tea leaves in your teacup. I also really like this Gaiwan because it's actually the perfect bowl size for just drinking bowl tea. And for bowl tea, you don't need a lot of tea because you're just going to let the tea sit. And even just warming up this provides a really nice aroma. And this is a very comfortable way to drink. If there are tea leaves near the top, you can use this to move them aside. People used to hold this, move it aside, and drink. And I really enjoy this tea. It's very sweet. When you first smell it, it's like chocolate, but right now there's a bit of like caramel to it.